tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the ZHIMAI vinyl cutter machine, a 32-inch cutting plotter that's been making waves in the design and crafting community. From its impressive specs to its real-world applications, this machine has left me impressed, and I think it's going to do the same for you. Let's dive right into one of the key features that sets this machine apart: its superior performance. With a maximum paper feed rate of 32 inches and a cutting width of 28 inches, this machine can handle large-scale projects with ease. But what really caught my attention is its cutting thickness capability of 0.04 inches, which is perfect for cutting through a variety of materials, from vinyl to paper. The stepper motor and ARM32 high-integration motherboard work together seamlessly to provide high working efficiency and low noise, making it perfect for use in home offices, studios, or even shared workspaces. And with an ultra-large cache of 256 MB, you can enjoy long-term offline cutting, which is a total game-changer for those who need to work on projects without interruptions. Another feature that really stands out is the cutting accuracy of this machine. With an impressive plus or minus 0.0004 inches or 0.01 millimeters accuracy, you can expect precise cuts every time. The 4 double spring clamping rollers and aluminum embossing rods work together to ensure that the paper feeding doesn't deviate, giving you smooth and consistent results. But what's even more impressive is the real-time adjustment of cutting pressure and speed, which allows you to fine-tune your settings to suit your specific material and project needs. Whether you're working with delicate paper or thick vinyl, this machine has got you covered. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The ZHIMAI vinyl cutter machine can be connected to both COM and USB interfaces, making it easy to use with your computer or other devices. It's compatible with a range of systems, including Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10, and it works seamlessly with mainstream design software like SignMaster and CDR. While it's not compatible with Mac systems, I think the benefits far outweigh this limitation, especially for those who are already invested in the Windows ecosystem. And with its support for UDisk and PC, you can easily transfer files and designs to the machine, making the whole process a breeze. One of the features that I think really sets this machine apart is its digital control panel. With a large LCD screen and a user-friendly interface, you can easily navigate through the machine's settings and options. The control panel also comes with thousands of built-in design materials, making it easy to create signs, stickers, and other projects without needing to use external software. And with the emergency stop and start function, you can work safely and conveniently, knowing that you're in control of the machine at all times. So, what can you use this machine for? The possibilities are endless. From cutting stickers and decals to creating intricate designs for scrapbook paper and cards, this machine is perfect for crafters, designers, and small business owners. It's also widely used in the advertising field for various decorations, handicrafts, auxiliary heat transfer printing, label and signboard production, and so much more. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this machine has the potential to take your projects to the next level. In conclusion, the ZHIMAI vinyl cutter machine is an incredible piece of technology that's perfect for anyone looking to take their crafting or design skills to the next level. With its superior performance, cutting accuracy, high compatibility, and user-friendly digital control panel, this machine is a total game changer. So, if you're ready to unlock your creative potential and take your projects to new heights, be sure to check out the ZHIMAI vinyl cutter machine. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing machine, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.